chip chop movement. So we're up on the road still. We'll give Polly a one link and Biggs there and drink some soup. Buy some. Yo, we just ordered some soup, bro. That's what. Me think the man I say a cow skin soup. Boy, let me check out the other cow skin. I think he say, how kind of soup, Biggs?
Boy, I'm afraid of even this.
What kind of soup?
Yeah? They call it cow cod.
Meaning?
Meaning is a cow genital area.
It's your cow.
A dick.
Not even know what you say. Yo, imagine a cow cod. So, I don't know. I just a jinky soup because a cow cod. Cow. You see me?
Well, you know what I call you from your skin, everything on your bush.
So, see soup here. You want a little more seasoning in the night still. You see me? I want a little freshness taste in there. But, you can go on. You see me? So, we are going to give Polly a one link. And forward back. You see me? So, I know what you are going. Yes, I do still. You know, I'm mad move. Oh, yeah. Auntie jump out and thing. Auntie, you know? Yeah, my cousin are going that one reason. You see it? I'm mad free. But anyway, watch it. It's a blood clot go there from there. Yeah, eat early and everything. Right. Soup. Some soup. Soup, you have to drink. Tell me, tell her you have to drink. Yeah. You're there still, like, man. Kick it back for you there. All past now, isn't it? They're over my grandmother's place, you see.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, man, the funny line.
Yeah, it's one nice smart this goat me ever see, yo. Watch me, I stop from premium, watch it. Touch me.
If you mind, tell us to go, you go.
Straight YouTube, that may I put that go that street. Why someone?
Varnish wash. Running a dead beats. Bro, in a dead, you get a chop in your yard.
They chop brown in there, you have to check dog. One more chop in there, for real.
One more chop in your pussy wall.
Yeah, man.
Take in a mad goat.
They're on the granny ends, you see me? Tell us that them yard if you come eat food from you know which part, a wood fire and them sitting there.
Wood on that pot,
yeah, you see me? Family them, you know? Mad free. So my granny over here say, feisty, you know what I mean? My little cousin them, big cousin.
They batch you dead. Batch you dead. You're rough.
See you again. My granny. Nisha said if say aye. Dads.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Only close to them, you know?
If your father not there, wow, no
So guys, I don't mind how like crusty I look right now. I'm about to like go home and freshen up, but I just left the police station because I had to get my reference check done, and then earlier I had to do my TB test. So I did the first step last week, and I had to come back again this week to do the step 2, which makes no sense to me. But so yeah, I did that today. I'm out of breath because I just walked up a big ass hill. But I'm actually heading home. I'm vlogging from my phone because my camera's at home charging because I have a photo shoot that I'm doing for a friend later. So I left it at home. Whew. I'm so out of breath. Oh my god, this is so bad. But yeah, I haven't really been vlogging lately because I've been so busy with trying to organize my life, all my documents and everything for my nursing program that I'm starting in May. And I have a certain date that I have to do everything by. So I'm really trying to like just focus on all that, you know, because as of right now, school is more important than vlogging, unfortunately. But I know some people were asking me, like, now that I know that I'm going in the nursing program, it's gonna be more intense, and am I still gonna have enough time to vlog? Yeah, I feel like I want to vlog the journey, and like a lot of my followers, or most of my followers, are actually in the nursing program as well, or going into the nursing program. So I thought it would be cool to actually vlog it, like vlog my ups, my downs, and all of that. But yeah, I'm just heading home right now because I have to go set up for the photo shoot that I'm doing. I used to do photo shoots as like a hobby a couple of years ago because I really loved photography, but then I stopped. And my friend just hit me up and said, oh, can you take some birthday pictures for me? So I told her, yeah. So that's what I'm doing today, and then I'm not doing anything else. I don't have any homework or nothing, so I'm just doing that, and then I'm gonna try film a video from YouTube, my channel as well. And yeah, that's basically all that I'm doing today. I don't have anything really planned. It's so awkward vlogging with my phone because I look over here and the camera's over here. I don't understand. I don't know why. But on a bright note, shout out to spring. Spring is slowly approaching. Even though I saw some posts saying how there's supposed to be some cold alert. But outside's really nice. I'm not even in my winter jacket. When you see me in a sweater, you know it's nice outside. Because I'm always balling for being cold. So I'm so happy that the weather is slowly getting warm. It's just kind of weird because this is my first summer in Toronto in like 2 years. Because my last 2 summers I spent it in Jamaica. So I'm spending it here. It's kind of sad and happy at the same time. But I'm kind of sad because, you know, like, I'm not really gonna be with Ziggy Bear, but I gotta do this. I really do. But anyways, guys, I'm driving, so see if I can vlog out the rest of my day. That's cute. So guys, I just picked up Keish from school. I was actually gonna make her continue to take the school bus home, but
What are you doing?
who's trying to get copyright? How was school today?
It's good. No, it's never good. I lied.
Why?
I don't like this school.
She switched schools, so she doesn't like it, but it's part of life.
No, there's no diversity whatsoever. On all the kids
Sometimes
just
you
say
gotta
some
be
racist stuff in class and they're laughing about it. I want to turn around and just page them, but I'm just like, nah.
Sometimes you have to be put out of your comfort zone to see how you would deal with certain situations. Hush. But yeah, she's gonna go do her nails because she's a hot gal. Show them your nails.
No. What nails?
Keisha, I don't know, like, we all have nice nails. Like, you know, like the nails are long and nice.
Uh-huh.
Our nails grow nice, but this girl always bites her nails. I don't understand why.
Chelsea?
So I'm just gonna go pick up her
Yeah.
friend and then drop them to the nail salon.
Nisha's gonna just drop us.
So guys, I'm home and I just checked the mailbox. Just finished getting fat with Bishi. Keisha's been making me eat junk food like crazy. But anyways, I got a gift from one of my supporters who's also one of my friends. She turned into one of my friends. But anyways, her name is Rosa. Shout out to Rosa. She sent me this little package here that I'm about to open. Well, I kind of opened it already. But anyways, guys, look how cute these are. So she bakes, right? I was not expecting these. They're like little cookies with me and Z on them. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Aww.
Who send me cookie?
Who what?
Who send me cookie?
Send we.
Who send me cookie?
Look. Isn't that cute?
Well, last time I eat your head.
What do you say? say those weird things.
Nisha, you're annoying.
You're annoying.
I wear my t-shirt then.
And I just found it. It's old. You still look like a little kid.
Subscribe to my channel.
This girl's so annoying. But anyways, guys, isn't this so cute? It's just so sweet and thoughtful of her. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you, Rosa. Thank you so much.